Hello, welcome to another video from the Southwest Modelers Collective. Today's video is the Akitsumaru, which was a Japanese aircraft carrier in 1:700 scale. It is considered to be the first amphibious assault ship, carrying both aircraft and landing craft. Comes with a two-piece hull, clear bridge glass, lower deck and base, lifeboats and aircraft, including 2 gyrocopters and 2 scout planes, decal sheet, mid deck and flight deck, and a full instruction sheet. As always, thank you for watching. Feel free to leave us a like if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.